Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Xiaomi Redmi A1 Plus device, as you can see. And now I can show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So, firstly, remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use a Notus brush, which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, insert one part of the toothbrush into the port and just pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.